Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can convert your Lazada Pay Later to Gcash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply open your Lazada app, and once you open it, you can simply convert your Lazada Pay Later to Gcash by using the Shop ePay feature on Lazada. For this, all you need to do is simply click Shop ePay, then click on Cash In. After doing this, you need to click on the drop-down menu and select your Gcash. After doing this, you need to hit the confirm button and then enter the amount you want to convert. Once you're done with this, you need to tap on Click Pay. Then you need to simply enter your email and click on the Pay option. After doing this, you need to log in into your Gcash account and then follow the instructions. By following these ways, you can simply convert your Lazada Pay Later to your Gcash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.